everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Since I have new subscribers today, I would like to thank you for subscribing to my channel and welcome you to my YouTube channel at Home with VK. My name is Veronica, I'm originally from Czech Republic and I love to shop. And I love to take you with me to the shops as well. So today we are going to the range. And I'm so excited because they have their autumn items finally out and also some Halloween. So at the beginning you could see I got a new intro. I hope that you like it. It's just introduction into our new autumn series. They also had amazing sign which literally looked like from Hobby Lobby from America. So thank you, The Range, for bringing us something that we usually dreamed of having in the UK. And they have so many pumpkins, so many amazing items as well. I mean, look at them. I mean, the pumpkin wax melts for only £1.79. The Zara Hurricane tea light holder for only £1.99. Oh, sorry, £5.99. They have these potpourri little pumpkins for £2.99, these candle holders for £3.49, this little scarecrow which has a welcome sign will be super pretty by your front door. Then they got this set of 3 pumpkins which are from the rattan material for £5.99. It's making like less than £2 for a pumpkin. Then they also have this beautiful mushroom cushion, and they brought back their Varo pumpkin dishes. I love them for soup, you know, it just keeps you warm. Do not put them on direct heat like gas or induction, anything like that, okay? It could smash, just don't do that. Yeah, I'm so excited for autumn. Let me know, do you think it's too early? I did want it to wait for August, but I saw other creators putting videos out and I was like, I need to put it out as well since I have the footage. Let me know, when do you start decorate for autumn? I think I'll start in August. We are nearly in August, so I'm like, oh my gosh, my pumpkins can finally come out. I only purchased one product and that is a big wall art which will be shown on the screen in a couple of seconds. And how amazing are these glass pumpkins? These were £6.99 and they come in 3 colors, but they were heavy. They were so heavy and I was a little bit scared to hold them by the stems. I'm curious if they're handmade. It must be handmade, right? They're like blown or if they're put in a mold. And also they brought back these candles for only £4.99. These fake apples for £2.99 are amazing if you have a bowl and you want to put some color into your home. And I also love autumn because it brings all the colors into our home, the warm colors, the dark reds, the dark greens, the burnt orange. Oh my goodness, can you tell I'm excited for fall? Sorry, autumn. They also have this hurricane candle vase for £10.99. That one is pretty new. Also, if you love signs, they got these signs for £2.49. They got 2 of them. I did check if they have another one, but I've only seen 2, and they were only £2.49 and had a stand as well. I mean, how amazing is that? But completely, if you want, you can put the 3M stickers at the back, and also it has the little hook at the top, so you can put it on a wall as well. And more candle holders because autumn is the season for candles and cozy books and blankets. Oh, and speaking of blankets, I will put timestamps on this video as well, and I'll show you what new blankets and bedding for autumn they have. Also, I filmed their kitchen collection for autumn. Oh, this is the wall art that I was talking about. I grabbed that one. It was only £9.99, you guys. I'm so excited to put it on the wall. Also, let me know if you are interested seeing of what I purchased, and I can totally make a whole video of my autumn finds from this year that I purchased from stores. So enough of me rambling right now. I'll find some cozy music, so make yourself comfortable and let's get excited for autumn together.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stay. beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. The hour's getting late. I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smiled at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's.
Let me know, what do you think so far? How beautiful are these wine glasses? Oh my god, look at the little pumpkins and the little ghosts with bat wings. They are so adorable. I don't drink, but if you're having Halloween party, or even for water, if you want to be fancy, just grab them. This is the set of 2 books. I did take them apart and I did put it back all together to put it back on a shelf. It was only £9.99, and this will be perfect on your coffee table or even on your bookshelves or anything like that. But also, if you want, and if you are creative, just grab some crafting paper, which is color in the color that you want, and you can put the letters, and you can make your own, if you know what I'm trying to say. They also have this bamboo award in the shape of a pumpkin for only £3.35, just a bit of a random price. They also have this one for £2.40, and it'll be perfect for charcuterie board or even for a cake. But I think my favorite is this one. It was so stuck to the top of the other shelf that I was scared I'm gonna smash all of them on the floor. So bear with me while I'm trying to get this one out. Look at him, he is so adorable. It's a ghost platter for only £6.99. And then they also had this neon sign, which is welcome to our patch, for £24.99. And for Halloween lovers, they have this skeleton charcuterie board for, let's have a look, £5.99. And this is the pumpkin that I showed you earlier.
Just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few. 'Cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks.
And autumn is the time of the year for the cozy drinks, for the cozy food. So look how many beautiful tumblers and mugs the range has brought us. I think that this was my favorite. It says, "Hey there, pumpkin," and I absolutely love that it doesn't have the massive handle, so it'll be perfect for water or even for a hot drink like tea, coffee, chai tea. And also they have these seat cushions for only £5.49. And look at this, they even have like a dinner collection for £27.99, set of plates, small plates and soup bowls. They also have beautiful hand towels or tea towels for £2.79, and I like that the green color, and I also love the print of the leaves and the stripes. I'm just a stripy girl. I mean, I love stripes. Then they also have this other print of smaller leaves and gnomes at the bottom. One of them is holding a pumpkin and his little heart and his beard. How adorable is that? And this one has the slightly lighter color green tea towel, which is like the sage color. I think that that one is still very popular color option. And also silicone molds, so you can use them for ice or chocolate, or even if you're making your own wax melts. And this is an autumn, but I still had to show you. I mean, how adorable are these show covers for pack of 4. And then also had these silicone molds again, massive chunks of ice or chocolate wax melts. Or if you can think of anything else, let me know. And now we're finally coming to the bed section. Did I say it? Yes, I did. I said bed section. I'm just so excited, you guys. They have this beautiful cushion for only £9.99. Bedding starts from £17.99. The king is $20.99. And they also have this beautiful cushion for only £9.99. And this throw blanket for $10.99. And another bedding, the single is $9.99, double $12.99. And how adorable is this cushion in the shape of a mug for $6.99? And it looks like it's got cream at the top. And this mushroom, I think they actually had 2 colors. Yes, so they have this like light brown and dark red color for only £5.99. I got this cushion from last year and I'm looking forward to bringing it back. It's only £6.99. And also, I just wanted to say, if you do buy anything from anywhere and it's like bedding or stuff like that, just wash it, because you know it's made overseas, it travels on the Troyax, so I hope that you know what I mean. Just wash everything that you can. Also, how beautiful are these cushion covers? It was set up to, and my oh my, these were so soft. Also, they have a cushion which says thankful for $11.99. So if you're American living in the UK and you're missing something from Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's, go to the range and you can grab yourself a thankful cushion. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed walking through the shop. And please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye friends.
Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain, the fall.